So separation of one plate is increasing, the other plate is decreasing. So the overall circuit will take like this. This is the plate here. So the charge on this plate, let it be Q1, let it be Q2. The separation here D naught plus Vt, because they are moved, this is moved with a constant speed and this is moved with a constant speed. So the separation will be D naught minus Vt. The distance of the lower plate will decrease, that of the upper plate will increase. So capacitance, let it be C1, C2 here. So C1 is equal to, so apply KVL. So from that KVL we can write Q1 by C1 equal to Q2 by C2, or Q1 by C2. So this will be Q1 by Q2. So what is C1? C1 will be equal to F naught A D naught plus Vt. C2 is F naught A. I'll write it here. Just very simple problem. No need to bother all that conceptual thinking. So this is the expression. Q2, the capacitance of the separation decreases, no? So it is moved with a constant speed. So the separation becomes D naught minus Vt. So this will be Q1 by Q2, D naught minus Vt. Look at the charge of a plate must be conserved. The charge of these two plates. What was the earlier charge? Plus Q and plus Q. So what is the charge now? Q1 plus Q2. So charge of these two plates must be conserved. So from conservation of charge principle, conservation of charge principle. So what is the equation we can write? Q plus Q should be equal to Q1 plus Q2, or 2Q equal to Q1 plus Q2. Solve this, we'll get expression for Q1 and Q2. And what all now is asking, charge on two capacitors as a function of time. Let's, okay, there's a one equation 1, this equation 2. Okay, we'll solve for Q1, Q2, then we'll see that. So first, charge and current both is asking. So already we have some idea of current. What is the current? Rate of flow of charge. Rate of flow of charge constitute the current. So Q1 should be equal to Q into D plus Vt by 2D naught. Q2 equal to D minus Vt.
2 will not come.
2 will not be there. Huh?
Yes, in denominator 2 will not.
2 will not be there. Okay, I'll take it out. 2Q charges, you know. Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 2Q, no?
Sir, Q1 will be equal to Q into D minus Vt by D naught.
This will be plus. Huh? Yeah. There's the equation, sir. Okay, now after this, what about the current? Current in the circuit will be. So I think the A and B are not, options are not matching. Okay, leave that one. No. What about the current? How to trace current? So where charge will increase here, and the charge will decrease. What charge decreases here? Look at the Q1. The charge here decreases. No, what charge decreases? That only will flow here. No, that only will should flow here. So how to get the current now? This one, we have a time here. So I'll differentiate this equation. So shall I add up these two charges, or any one? If I differentiate, I'll get the current. The basic definition of current has to be introduced here. So what is the current here? Rate of flow of charge. This is confirmed. D by dt q1 minus q1. So the charge at any instant of time it is. The charge at any instant of time. So that rate of change of charge only wants to be current, no? Because what is Q1? Q1 is charge at any instant of time. Total charge. You look at the equations, how we assumed it. So you should not write charge here equal to again Q minus something. The Q1 is what? Charge at time t. This is at t equals 0. This is at time t. Okay, I'll differentiate anyone. So here, shall I show the direction of current? The current will flow in this direction. Now, what should be the expression for current? Here, see, like I'm making some changes in the second plate also. I'm making some changes in the first plate also. Okay, got this. So here you can see that one. So how the charge will flow like this, and here also it is flowing here now. So look at this particular thing, that one. So what charge here decreases, that is increasing. So what should be the expression definition for current? Rate of flow of charge. So is it Q1 plus Q2? Shall we write? Q1 plus Q2 shall we write? And differentiate it, the magnitude, or only that the particular thing. So only I you should write equal to dq1 by dt. Or you write it dq2 by dt. So one will come negative. The other one will be due to decrease in the here charge decreases. That's why the current is there. Here the what amount of charge decreases, the same amount of charge should increase here, because charge should be conserved. So why negative means here you can say that it is moving out of this plate. Here it's entering that one. That's what the negative sign indicates here. Or to take care that sign, I'll put minus sign here. So this will be more justified. Okay, so some questions can be asked for you of this kind. You have to be careful. Current in the circuit will be constant and it is not equal to this much. So somebody, I don't know, student, what he wrote, just equal to constant. Anybody value?
QV by D naught.
2V, why 2V?
Q, sir.
QV by D naught.